Hello everyone. Hello everyone. In this part, we'll discuss the fourth and fifth state of matter, that is plasma and the Bose-Einstein condensate. Right. So first, let's discuss about plasma. So this plasma is a state of matter that comprises of super energetic and super excited particles. Super energetic means the energy of this particle is really very high. Excited means in later chapter we will discuss what is excited state of electron, like that. Okay, but now just remember, super excited means when a particle of low energy gains lots of energy, it becomes super excited, right? Just like a person, suppose a kid who can not have the idea about too much money, suppose, right? जैसे कि मान लो अगर हम किसी बच्चे को 100 रुपीज़ दे दें तो क्या होगा, वो हैप्पी. बट सपोज ओके, उसको 100 रुपीज़ मतलब खर्चा करने का आइडिया है. सपोज हम उसे 1 लाख दे दें तो व्हाट विल हैपन? He will be definitely super excited. Just like that, the particles that gains much more energy than its actual energy is said to be super excited. Clear? Now this plasma or this type of particles, or what, super excited particles and super energetic particles, was discovered by Sir William Crook in the year 1879 in an experiment, and in that experiment he used a tube, and that is known as Crookes tube. Clear? Now some of the example of plasma are the sun, means in the sun the state of matter is plasma. Some fluorescent light, they are also super excited. Neon signs, the signboards of various shops. Okay, all these are what? Neon signs and nebula. All these are plasma. Now plasma is the most common state of matter found in the universe. Remember, in the universe, not in the earth. Means almost all the planets are made up of what? Mostly solid, right? So not in our solar system, in the whole universe, like the sun is made up of plasma, like other bodies are there that are made up of plasma only. Unlike gas, just like gas, it has no definite shape, no definite volume. ठीक है, मतलब ये just like gas ही है. It is found in sun, the stars and the interstellar space and intergalactic space. Interstellar मतलब बहुत सारे स्टार्स के बीच जो स्पेस है, और जो क्या गैलेक्सीज के बीच जो स्पेस है, उस स्पेस में पाया जाता है प्लाज्मा. High temperature is needed to maintain the ionization of the particles of plasma. No doubt, high temperature means high energy is needed. Then only the particle will be what? Ionized. Right? To ionize a particle, definitely we need much amount of energy. Plasma is influenced by electric and magnetic field. Okay, means electric field and magnetic field show effect on plasma. Now have a look about the scientist who discovered plasma. Sir William Crook, born on what, in the year 1832 to 1999, sorry 1919. Now come to Bose. Just have a look from about the scientist. Now come to Bose-Einstein condensate. So it is the fifth state of matter, and it was discovered by 2 scientists. First let's have a look what they are. Bose-Einstein condensate consists of super unenergetic, just like plasma are made up of super energetic. This Bose-Einstein condensate is made up of super unenergetic, means इसमें जो पार्टिकल्स है ना उनके पास बहुत ही लो एनर्जी होता है. एंड सुपर कोल्ड, डेफिनेटली देखो जो पार्टिकल कोल्ड है उसका एनर्जी कम ही होगा. इट इज फॉर्म्ड व्हेन अ गैस ऑफ एक्सट्रीमली लो डेंसिटी इज कूल्ड टू एन एक्सट्रीमली लो प्रेशर, मतलब जिसका डेंसिटी बहुत ही कम है उस गैस को अगर हम बहुत ही लो प्रेशर में कूल करेंगे तो वो हो जाएगा बोस-आइंस्टाइन कंडेंसेट. इट कैन बी क्रिएटेड with a few elements and रुबिडियम is one of them. ओके, रुबिडियम एक ऐसा एलिमेंट है जिसको हम बहुत ही कम प्रेशर में कूल कर सकते हैं. नाउ अनदर प्रॉपर्टीज आर सुपर फ्लूइडिटी. मीन्स you might have seen that whenever any fluid or anything flow, they exert some what? Friction, right? But these Bose-Einstein condensate are have super fluidity because they show frictionless flow. Remember, frictionless flows means when they flow they do not exert any sort of friction. Clear? And that also at 0 Kelvin. You know, I told you in the previous class 0 Kelvin is the absolute zero, means no object is cooler than this 0 Kelvin. Superconductivity. And what is superconductivity? You know, conductivity means to conduct. Then what superconductivity is? Superconductivity means by virtue of which matter shows zero electrical resistance. means ऐसा कोई भी मेटल या एलिमेंट नहीं है जिसमें करंट 100% पास हो जाए, राइट? लेकिन होता किस में है? बोस-आइंस्टाइन कंडेंसेट में. क्लियर? सो इसका एग्जांपल क्या होगा? हीलियम 4 कोल्ड बिलो 2.17 केल्विन. देखो 2.17 केल्विन टेम्परेचर से और कूल करो किसको? हीलियम 4 को. मीन्स हीलियम जिसका मास 4 है. यू नो आइसोटोप्स पढ़े हो. नाउ ए गैस ऑफ रुबिडियम एटम, रुबिडियम का एक गैस. तो ये दोनों हैं एग्जाम्पल. सो देखो यहाँ पे ना कुछ प्रॉपर्टी याद रखना दोनों का एंड देयर एग्जाम्पल. एंड हाँ, लुक, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स डोंट नो much more about Indian scientists. So I request you to go through any search, Google or YouTube or whatever, and please gather your idea, knowledge about Indian origin scientist. Okay. So this Bose-Einstein condensate was the collaborative work of Satyendranath Bose and Einstein. Okay, so Satyendranath Bose was a physicist of Indian origin, right? He specialized in mathematical physics. Okay, और उनका सबसे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट काम क्या है? दिस theory on Bose-Einstein condensate. And also he was awarded Padma Vibhushan in the year 1954. Just remember these things. I think you people know very well about Einstein, because I know we people know many things about foreign scientists but not Indians. Next, when it comes about Einstein, he is known as the father of modern physics. Remember this one. Then his most important work is the derivation of relation between energy and mass, and it is E equals to mc square. E is the energy, m is the mass of the object, and c is velocity of light. He received Nobel Prize in the year 1921 in the field of physics. Okay, और नोबेल प्राइज क्यों मिला था? फॉर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. लिसन, हिज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क इज व्हाट? mass energy relation, but he got Nobel Prize for his laws of photoelectric effect. Remember these things.